Today we will show an Android phone repair case without hot air gun and soldering iron. Which model? This is X21 produced by Vivo. It's a best-selling model launched in 2018. After using for several years, most batteries are not durable and need replacing. This X21 battery is not durable, and ear speaker is whispering. This video belongs to primary spare parts repair. In case of similar problems, you can try to fix it by yourself. Okay, let's see how to repair it. Testing each function before disassembling is an essential step. On the one hand is to confirm problem detail, the other is to avoid unnecessary disputes from customer. So be sure to check it before repairing. Through testing, the problem is same as customer's description. This is a earspeaker 62-in-1 electric screwdriver, equipped with types of screwdriver bits, which compatible with most phones. With this screwdriver kit, it's very convenient for us to tear down phone. Install corresponding screwdriver bit. First, unbolt two bottom screws. Take out SIM cartridge with SIM ejector. You can also use toothpick instead if have no SIM ejector. Insert blade or earspeaker opening card into the gap between back cover and screen. Shake along the frame to separate back cover. The first step of disassembly is completed. Then unbolt screws a metal shield that compresses flex connector. Remove metal shield. Pry up 5 flex connectors. Unbolt screws of shield. Remove the shield. Pry up 4 flex connectors. Put flex aside. Ear speaker is in this position. Clamp with tweezers and take it out. This is a new ear speaker. Clamp with tweezers and install it. Pay attention on the ear speaker connector pins. Don't install it upside down. Bolt back 2 screws on ear speaker cover. Then ear speaker replacement completed. Next step is battery replacing. According to the tips on battery sticker, lift up puller and remove the battery. The old battery has become very soft. It has been used for a long time. Battery cell quality has deteriorated. Now let's replace new one. Connect the battery connector into battery socket on the mainboard. Install new battery into phone. Press and fix it. Reinstall 3 connecting flexes. Connect them and other flex to boards. Confirm each flex connector is installed firmly. Install shield back. Bolt all shield screws. Install metal shield and bolt all screws. Close back cover. Reinstall SIM cartridge. Test ear speaker. The sound is much bigger now. Signal works normally. Test other functions. All functions work well. If you have any other problems about Android phone repairing, welcome to leave your comments. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. We will launch more great videos later.